In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're brand new or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through the basics so you can get up and running with confidence. First, open a web browser on your computer. Any modern browser works well, and keeping it up to date helps everything run smoothly. Make sure you've got a reliable internet connection so your work syncs properly as you go. Next, navigate to sheetsgoogle.com. This takes you to the Google Sheets homepage, where you'll see a gallery with templates and your recent files. If you use Sheets often, consider bookmarking this page for quick access later. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to sign into your Google account. Choose the account where you want your spreadsheets to live. Once you're in, everything you create is stored in the cloud, which means it's accessible from any device you sign in with and saves automatically as you work. On the home page, you can start fresh by clicking blank, or open an existing file from your list. Clicking blank opens a new spreadsheet with a grid of rows and columns. If you're opening an existing sheet, it will load in the editor, so you can pick up where you left off. You'll notice the toolbar across the top, and your file will save changes automatically without you needing to do anything. To add information, click any cell and start typing. Each cell is a single box in the grid. Press Enter to move down or Tab to move right. If you need to edit something later, just click back into the cell. You can copy and paste from other sources, and Sheets handles numbers, dates, and text. If you make a mistake, use the Undo button at the top. When you're ready to make things look clear and professional, use the toolbar. You can change fonts, sizes, colors, and cell backgrounds. Align text, wrap long entries so they're visible, or adjust number formats like currency and percentages. If you're organizing a header row, bold it or freeze it using the toolbar so it stays visible when you scroll. For calculations, select a cell and use the Functions button on the toolbar or type an equals sign to start a formula. For example, you can quickly sum a column with a built-in function. To visualize data, highlight the relevant cells and click the chart icon in the toolbar. The chart editor will help you choose a chart type and fine-tune the design. That's it. With these essentials, you're ready to create, edit, and present data confidently in Google Sheets on desktop.